Yo, YouTube, was good? It's Tito and I'm back with another video. I got the Max right here, so we already know what time it is. Update time. So we're gonna change the cluster on the inside. We're gonna go from the 04, 05, 06 cluster to the 07 to 08 Maxima cluster. It's a direct plug and play. If you've got a 6-speed Maxima that you're switching the 7 and 8 into, then there's gonna be 2 more steps that you gotta do, but it's real simple. Just take your time and get it done, you're good to go. Other than that, man, just stay and ride with me, man. Appreciate it. Yep.
All right, so today we're gonna start off something light, something small. We're gonna change the cluster. So in 04, 05, and I think 06, essentially the cluster kind of looks like this. So you should have 3 plastic pieces. You're gonna pop those out with screwdrivers.
Why are you talking?
I'm making a video, Papa, and you're my helper, right? All right, so we're gonna pop these out. And it should expose a screw. And I believe there should be 2 more under here. But because I've already taken the dash out, I never put the 2 back. So you gotta make sure when you do yours, you lower your steering wheel, and you'll see 2 screws, Phillips screws under there that you gotta take out. So just gonna unscrew this.
07.
Hold on, Papa. Alright, so unscrew that. Here, lose the screw. I'm gonna say that somewhere in the seat. And then the cluster should come out. And then there's gonna be the harness that you gotta pretty much just disconnect it from. And take it out. Alright. So the 2 screws I was telling you about are gonna be right here. Those are the spots for them. Right there. So there you go. I'll be back with the new cluster. All right. So update. This is what we got. So this is the This is your factory harness for your cluster. It's kind of short. I kind of overkilled. But essentially, instead of cutting and extending these wires so they can fit, I just pretty much cut a slot in the back of the dash. It's gonna be covered anyway, so it doesn't matter. Hey, when you guys get to the junkyard and you pull your cluster off your 07 or 08 Maxima, if you see you got this little bracket, you can get that too and just put it on. It doesn't fit directly, but you can just screw. There's gonna be a clip that's supposed to slide in there in the 07s or 08s, but it doesn't fit in the 04s. So I just cut that and I just put 4 screws in it, which is essentially just gonna give it more support for the cover right there. So that's extra shit. Don't need it, but I mean, I have it, so why not? Before you begin any of this though, you wanna make sure your cluster works. What you don't wanna do is do all that and you find out your cluster's no good. So everything works on here. So I'm pretty much good. You know, all the stuff works. So yeah. So you want to make sure your cluster works, and then you go from there. Quick update: when y'all remove your cluster and reinstall it, if you haven't done so already, remove the top part to your steering wheel cover right here. All right, y'all. So this is what I ended up doing. I test fitted mine, made sure it works. Everything works. I took it apart just so I can put some black electrical tape on components that my car does not have, that this cluster has. 07 and 08 are automatic, mine stick shift. So I had my transmission stuff here that lit up like the, was it like the park light or something? And then, no, this is the park light. This was like the, something like that I don't have. It was something about the transmission, so I just pretty much covered it so it doesn't light up. I was debating check engine light, you know, I'm HR swapped, but I figured I'll just leave it on. I'll clear it when I need to. But you gotta be real careful with these tabs because they break easy. So just wanna go ahead and pretty much go around and untab, slow and steady. And then the actual bezel, it's just these 2 screws right here that you take off. And you just, again, follow the clip. Be real careful. Slow is fast, fast is smooth. All right, I'll be back with the final.
Alright, this is the final product. Went ahead and mounted everything back. Again, this was broken with the interior swap attempt, so disregard that. This is gonna be changed out once I make a junkyard run. Alright, so here we go. Here's the clutch. Again, my electrical tape is right here, and on the corner there, they had lights that were up. So, that's me simulating the door close. You see that goes away. E-brake. Seatbelt on. Good to go. Yep. That's it. Cluster swap.